Ever use UV resin and it just won't cure completely? Still sticky underneath?
Hey, I'm Ellie and I have been working with UV resin for a while.
I only use Craft Resin's UV resin because it is pre-mixed, low odor, and cures super fast.
But even with a good resin, there are a few things you have to get right.
One of the biggest mistakes, putting it too thick. UV light can only cure about 1 to 3 millimeters at a time. Anything more and the bottom stays uncured. So here's how to fix that. Keep your layers thin. Flip the mold and cure from underneath too. And use translucent molds. Lights need to pass through. Also, make sure your space is warm and dry. Resin doesn't like cold and humidity. And skip the sunlight while pouring. It can cure far too early and cause tackiness.
Sticky UV resin isn't the aim of your project. It's just a sign to tweak your process.
With Craft Resin UV and a few easy tricks, you will get perfect results every time. Click the link below to try Craft Resin.